Good morning students, I'm back again with another session of mathematics, and this time we are going to study fractions. So chapter 8, fractions. Now when we talk about fractions, first we have to understand what is the meaning of a whole. So for example, you have a sandwich, okay, and your mother divided it into 4 pieces. She gave you a sandwich, she cut it into 4 pieces and she put it in your tiffin box. Now you had only one piece out of those 4 pieces. You had only one piece out of those 4 pieces. So what will be the fraction of the sandwich that you have eaten? 1 out of 4. You have eaten only one piece out of all the 4 pieces. So the fraction would be 1 upon 4. And now similarly for your brother or for your sister also, your mother packed another sandwich and she cut it into 4 pieces. Now your sister ate 2 pieces out of these 4 pieces. 2 pieces out of these 4 pieces. So what will be the fraction in that case? 2 upon 4 or 2 by 4. In this case, the fraction will be 2 by 4. Okay, so this is basically one whole sandwich which has been divided into 4 parts and you have eaten 1 out of 4 pieces. Similarly, this is also one whole sandwich which is divided into 4 parts, okay, 4 different parts, and you have eaten 2 out of 4 pieces. Okay, now naming and reading and writing the fractions. When we come to that part, now see here, when we name the fractions, this part here, first of all, this is called the numerator and this part is called the denominator. So in this fraction, if I say what is the numerator, it will be 1, the number written above the line, and denominator is the number written below the line. So the denominator in this case will be 4. If I talk about this fraction, the numerator in this case will be the number written above the line, that is 2, and the denominator will be the number written below the line, that is 4. Okay? Correct? Now we talk about writing the names of the fractions. Whenever there is a 1 in the numerator of a fraction, say it is 1 by 4, 1 by 3, 1 by 2, then the name of these fractions are known as unit fractions. Whenever you have 1 as a numerator in a fraction, these fractions are known as unit fractions. These fractions are known as unit fractions. So the name will be 1. First, this number will come as it is, and the denominator will be written in ordinal numbers. It will be 1/4. 1/4. That means you have eaten 1 out of the 4 pieces. It will be 1 out of the 4 pieces. Now here, 2/4. The numerator is 2, so the first word will be 2 and the denominator will be 4ths. Now you'll say, why did you put an S here and not here? Why did I put an S here and not here? Because when we talk about unit fractions, we never put an S. Whenever we talk about unit fractions, we never put an S here. No 1/3, no 1/2, no 1/5, only 1/4, 1/5, 1/6. It will never end with an S because we are talking about only one portion. And here, when we are talking about more portions, so we will put an S in the end. Now let's compare. So you ate 1 out of the 4 pieces and your sister ate 2 out of the 4 pieces. So who ate more? Who do you think ate more? Is 1 by 4 a bigger fraction or a smaller fraction or an equal fraction to 2 by 4? Can we put the signs? Which sign will we put? This one, or this one? Can we compare the fractions and understand? Obviously, the sister or your sibling ate more. So 2 by 4 is a greater fraction than 1 by 4. You can also compare it with the marks. Now suppose you got 2 marks out of 4 and your friend got 1 marks out of 4. So obviously you got greater marks. Correct? Your sister ate a bigger part of the sandwich than you. So this means what? This means that when the denominator is same, when the denominator or the number written below in the fractions is the same, we can just look at the numerator and make out which fraction is bigger than the other, and we can compare the fractions accordingly. This comparison further helps us to arrange the fraction in ascending as well as descending order. So this is about fractions. Thank you, children. Please take care and keep practicing.